Hi, good day. This is Ken Lau. Well, I want to show you how to create a mini chart. You see a sales data, right? And it's actually plot against here, right? So, and here as well, the result page, right? It shows here, right? So at a glance, right, we have see that there are some wins, there are some loss, right? It's quite equal, and the sales are growing and drop. So how to create that? Now, assuming that this chart has nothing, right? Is nothing. So you got to clearly see this is just chart. It's nothing meaningful, but if you did with this chart, that's very helpful. So let's just do it again, right? So I'm gonna clear it. Now how to create this money sales? So first select the cell you want to put the mini chart. In Excel, they call it Sparkline. So go to Insert, Sparklines, and over here, choose a line chart. Choose a line, and the location is here. So it's going to put this line chart here, and the data range will be here. And click OK, and that's it. As for the quarter, you go to Insert, go to Win Loss, and it's usually on the range that you can do a comparisons. It's not a static value. So we do a comparison between the sales and the target, and we get this chart. So wherever is negative, it's going to be red. If it's positive, it's going to be in the blue. So at a glance, right? And thanks for watching for this mini video. Thank you.